lick of this solo. First part, we are going with our index finger on the B and E string, 5th fret, and then with our ring finger, we bend and do a nice vibrato on the 8th fret B string. Okay, so that's the first part. The next part of this lick, we slide with our middle finger to the 9th fret G string. 9th fret D string, index finger, 6th fret B string, and then a bend with the ring finger on the 10th fret B. So we go twice here. Okay. And then the last part of this. So pull off with the ring finger from the 10th to the 8th E string, and then right up to the B string 10th fret, and then again back to the 6th fret E. And then the last part of this little thing. We end up with that bend on the E string. Okay, full bend with a little bit of a vibrato. So best is to bar both these strings while you're doing this. So that is the last part of that second lick.